Everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So in a lot of my videos I have shared with you all foaming sugar scrubs, normal sugar scrubs, but today I'm going to be sharing something different. So today's product is going to be a foaming body butter. Now this is highly conditioning and nourishing for people with a dry skin, dry flaky skin, especially if you're living in cold climates and your skin all the time feels dry. So this is the best remedy for that, to get that extremely good moisturizing effect with this foaming body butter. So it even cleans your skin and it also gives you a buttery soft effect. Now we'll quickly start with the making. The basic formulation is going to be shared in the description box. For the advanced versions, you can join our workshops and contact me on the WhatsApp number that's given. So here we have our ingredients. This is my foaming ingredients because this is going to create some foam. We have our SCI powder along with our cocamidopropyl betaine, and here we have our oil phase in which I have my blend of nourishing butters because it's a foaming body butter. So I have taken some cocoa butter along with some kokum butter and shea butter. These are extremely nourishing and conditioning butters for the skin. Now you can always change any other butter of your choice if you wish to. We've taken some emulsifiers, all conditioning ingredients, conditioning thickeners, a little bit of fatty acids, so that you get that very good conditioning effect on the skin with some almond oil. And here I have my water phase. I have taken some glycerin and my distilled water, and we'll quickly start with the making. Now I'll keep this on the double boiler to heat so that all our surfactants completely melt down, and my oil and my water phase I will be heating that, and we'll make the product. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated all the three phases here, my oil phase, water phase and surfactant phase, and I'll go ahead and add my water phase into my oil phase and we'll give this a blend. Okay, so I've gone ahead and blended this, and this is how beautiful our mixture looks. And now I'll go ahead and add this mixture into my surfactant phase, and we'll wait for all this to combine well together into one complete mixture. So we'll just leave this at the side for 10 minutes for this to completely mix in with the surfactants. Okay, so I have been mixing this in intervals for last 15 minutes, and now this has completely cooled down, and you can see how beautiful the texture is. It has these lovely peaks that you need in in any body butter or any foaming butter. So this is ready now, and we'll quickly go ahead and add our other ingredients. So I'm going to be making a cocoa chocolate foaming body butter. Now this helps with the lightening the pigmentation on the skin. It helps to give an overall glow on the skin, an overall shine on the skin. So that's why I have chosen this. I have added a little bit of cocoa powder to this, unsweetened cocoa powder, along with my fragrance. I have taken a little bit of vanilla fragrance with cocoa and my preservative. And now we'll go ahead and mix all these ingredients nicely together. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed everything together, and here we have a beautiful, luxurious, foaming body butter here all ready. And you can just rub this on your skin, apply some water, and you'll get an excellent foam to clean your skin and to give you an absolute soft, nourishing effect. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.